Hello, this is Arina Shigerodsky with Inserver, presenting a talk for JavaOne 2013 security track about retrofitting security into existing systems. You would want to come to my talk under following conditions. You are a security passionate person and you'd love to hear how somebody takes this unthinkable undertaking of retrofitting security. Your company was audited by an external firm, and now you have to retrofit security into an existing system because they found some things they'd like you to address. Or, God forbid, the company was victim of the cybercrime, and based on the data breach study by Ponemon Institute done in 2014, a cost of such breach in US comes to $188 for a record, and on average in such incident company loses about 28 plus thousand records with customers worried about their private information, undertaking steps, or leaving the vendor. At Inserver, we started to think hard how we would introduce security into our existing Java Server Faces based system. Once we decided that the system needs a bit of the plastic surgery with sleek new JavaScript rich UIs calling REST web services to be exposed to the whole wild internet. And the best way to do it is through using OAuth. The next on our agenda is introducing identity provider for our users to guard their private information securely, have them one user per system, and transition from one system we provide to another seamlessly with single sign-on tokens. And also on our radar is catering to the future needs of system-to-system integration with our customers in our playbooks. And their needs could be doing OAuth with SAML, OAuth with digital signatures, and whatnot. If you're going to look at the generic OAuth flow, it's not simple. It involves your application, an OAuth provider. There you can go actually forward the user to provide credentials, to issue authorization code that your application would use to access yet another resource server that can corroborate the token with dance of refreshing the tokens and whatnot. If you are in a situation as we are, there is an existing application not as rich in the UI with some security work done in place, roles, and authorization, then that may not fit you right away, and you can consider such application as a trusted application and utilize a simpler flow resource owner password credential flow. Their application is trusted. It can access authorization server as a client, get the code to be used, and in our case they dispatch the code to our JavaScript widgets. The authorization code is short-lived, should be on every call to our protected resource server, our REST calls gateway, and authorization checks are done there. And that's what I'm going to talk about, show you, and hope to get a chance to showcase that at JavaOne 2013 in September. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.